Welcome back everybody to the video, and today I'll be Huawei P20 and what's different between that and the flagship, the Huawei Mate 10 and the Mate 10 Pro by Huawei themselves as well. Now, it will be two luxury flagship smartphones, and that's something kind of rare in the smartphone industry, especially how two smartphones have a lot of features that are very similar. Now, Richard Yu actually said that with the P series, it's a lot more fashionable, it's more targeted in the younger users, and it's a lot more focused in the cameras, and it also has a triple lens camera for the Pro Edition. There's a lot more fancy colors like the Twilight variant, which has a mix of many different colors, and it looks just very nice and also very energetic. While the Mate series is more of a business/entertainment smartphone, hence the large battery, the large displays, along with the AI systems that close apps, saves battery, etc. Now, the Mate series, according to Yu by Huawei, is a more of a business smartphone. You can actually do a lot more things on it than the Huawei P20 Pro. The P20 Pro is still absolutely amazing with the current 970 chipset, but it does have a fabulous camera. The colors are a lot more vibrant and energetic, and you may be wondering, it's definitely for the younger generation. Now, the Huawei P20 Pro will be arriving in three different variants. There will be the P20 Lite, the P20, and the P20 Pro, three variants for one series, and one of them will be packing with a triple lens camera, and it's also partnered with Leica, a German optics company. Both smartphones also be having an AI system assisting the overall battery life and the cameras, which is also very interesting. But one of the biggest things that the P20 stands out is the camera, the thinness, and the playful colors, and also the overall software really differentiates itself from the Mate 10 series, which is a lot more business class. Thanks for watching. Comments below.